G'day guys, welcome back to another video from Advanced Mobile Auto Care. Today we're going to talk about the key on the Honda City. We actually just did the service for it and customer complained about the key remote doesn't work properly. So yeah, so it looks like this, and we're going to supply a new key and get a program to the vehicle so they can have a spare to use. Let's get it started. Okay, so let's get the programming start.
Australian, Indian and Japanese counterparts to a meeting.
Select Honda. Okay, so now that's all success. And try the key now, just exit the system. So all done. This is lost number 2, flip tight. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.